should probably do a couple styles. I don't know that I'm going to take the time to really explain them totally. I'll probably fast forward it, but if you want to stick around. So I'll start with some half twists on the side, securing with a little claw clip. And then I'll take those twists and twist them up and secure with another claw clip and allow the hair to cascade over top of that. Isn't that cute? All right, now I'm going to do my side twist, side swept formal style. So I'm doing one twist over the top of my pony butt in the back and then tugging on those twists just to deconstruct it a little bit. We'll add another twist in the front, secure with a claw clip, and then add a flower in there. And it makes for a really cute, fun style. Headbands are always cute, and then I like to add a little extra poof to that, of course. Okay, and so now I'm going to take just part of the hair and just secure it at the top for a minute while I take the sides and twist and secure in the back underneath that bun with a bobby pin. And then I will poof up that little bit and let that cascade over top. And that makes for another cute waterfall looking style. Super easy with sunglasses with those open ear tabs. So you guys enjoyed this look at Valentina, and I hope maybe seeing what I did help you feel confident if you have this style and what you can do to make her your own. There are so many options with long hair when you have a long hair wig. Don't get me wrong, I love the short ones too, but with the long one, if you want to do any sort of a fancy updo, you have the option to be able to do that pretty easily, and it's really beautiful hair.